Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok messages. So go ahead to your browser right here, and if you want to know how it's done, just go ahead. It says if you have accidentally deleted your TikTok messages, the first thing you should do is check your trash folder. TikTok automatically stores all deleted messages in the trash folder for 30 days. So if you have deleted the messages within the last 30 days, you may be able to find and recover them from the trash folder before it's time. So I'm gonna demonstrate how it's done. Let me see it in the images, but basically, you're gonna be able to see it in the trash, but there's no much to go on. I'm gonna just go ahead to the TikTok, right? And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile, on my below right corner. And then what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and then click on the settings and privacy. Scroll a little bit down, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see like a trash can icon basically. And there isn't actually a way to see it. Data saver, no. Offline videos, no. So basically there isn't an actual option to allow you. Let me just go ahead to the security. Let's say apps, no. Manage device, no. Share profile, messages, no. So basically, unfortunately for now, this feature is not available. But instead, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to report a problem to TikTok, and you want to basically talk about your messages. So I'm gonna find account profile, and I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, editing page and manage account, email, phone number, no. Comments, likes, follow, inbox, notification, direct messages. I'm gonna just go ahead right here, and basically I'm gonna select others, or other basically, and I'm gonna just talk to the TikTok help and support, and tell them that I need my messages to be recovered because I deleted them by accident. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.